Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. A certain magical substance that is used to make solid magical spheres costs 400 US dollars per cubic foot. The power of a magical sphere depends on its surface area, and a magical sphere can be sold for 70 US dollars per square foot of surface area. If you are manufacturing such a sphere, what size should you make them to maximize your profit per sphere? So now I will show you how to answer. Let's say I will put about R, that is about the radius of the sphere. Now, because we know that the cost of the volume is about 400 US dollars per cubic foot, the formula of the volume of the sphere, that's about 4 over 3 B R to the power of 3. The next one, we can solve this one based on the surface of the sphere. So that's about 70 US dollars per square foot. So the area that should be about 4 BR square. Now we can create about the formula of the profit. That should be about revenue minus the cost. So the revenue that should be about 70. We multiply by 4BR square minus the cost, that is about 400. And we put about 4 over 3 BR to the power of 3. That's about the volume. Now we have the function f of r. Now, if we want to find the maximize the profit, we need to find first the derivative of the function. First derivative of r squared, we have number 2r. First derivative of this one, we have 3r squared. Now we need to simplify the number. Now, if we want to find the critical point, we need to put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one in here equals to number 0. Now we need to simplify b and b, and we just have only r, so we can do about factorization. So we have two solutions. R equals to number 0, and this one equals to number 0. So we can find about R equals to 560 divided by 1600. So we calculate about this one, and we got about 0.35. So this one you got about 0, so we need to eliminate this one. This one is about positive number we can accept, and that's about fit. So after you got about this one, we can find about the maximum profit of this one in here. So I will put this number go in here. So we have 35.92 US dollars, and this is about the maximum profit, and we need to use about R equal to 0.35. This is the end. Thank you for watching.